Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to model from the Pointcloud data. So the first thing, you need a new project. Oh. Okay, the new project has created. So second step, I will insert Pointcloud for reference. You can move to the Insert tab and you will see the Pointcloud tab. You can click. So you will choose the Pointcloud data that you located before and click on done. So you can choose the positioning based on you. So I think the best you could choose the auto origin to origin. Okay, let's do it. So after you click, you will show the Pointcloud on the screen in the Revit, and I will show you on 2D. That is our Pointcloud data after you linking into the Revit. So before the model, you need to organize the Pointcloud again for the two direction. That means will be easier for modeling in the next step. So if you cannot choose the Pointcloud data, you can click the icon. It will release and will approve you choose the Pointcloud data. You can see. Okay, we will click and rotation the Pointcloud data for the right direction. So you can move the origin rotation to the different location. You can move that anywhere that you want. Okay, I find the point that I good. Okay, I will choose the corner. To the corner and rotate that for the right direction. Oh, no effect. Okay. I will choose again. It's maybe from. Okay. You can see the data is right. You can use the light and check it for sure. Maybe sometime the Pointcloud is not clearly straight. You can just more before modeling. Okay, I think that's good for this. You can draw the pie and compare for sure. Oh. Maybe I need to rotation a little bit. For easier, I will draw more line, and I will choose the point and choose the line. It will might be easier for the rotation. Okay, that it have for it too. After you rotate the right direction, you can pin them. For no rotation, no move, and so on. You can click on it and click it here for the no to anytime. And we will change the section. The section, it's maybe the level is maybe not important in this case. Just focus on the modeling. Okay, it's a cast precise. So I will show you how to organize the view, the type of view for each while modeling. You choose the types. Thus, Pointcloud will show different types. It already be the single color. Single color that be good. Oh, this maybe not have in this case. You can choose color. So the elevation, intensity, that will show the black and white. It maybe have for any time. And the best view I usually use, that is normal. It will help you see clear and easier for the imagination while you're modeling. You can see it. The pie will show pretty much. You can compare them and choose the best way for the view while you are modeling. Okay. Okay, the next step I will start model it. You can tie the bottom and wheel depth for the more view on the bottom. So you will change the normal. This maybe when you change it, maybe you can easier for the viewing. I think so. So if you good, you can choose another view. Make sure that helps you comfortable when you are modeling. And okay, you can move to the modeling. So first you can new world, new the world, and you can duplicate them. New world. And change the thickness. You can new the material, new one material, and you can change the color. That's good for the organize after. So now you draw the work. Okay, you can change the location light. You can choose core face material. It's important, so you can change the thickness later. That's good. Okay, you can draw some. And I think when you less 34 sitting on screen, you will do not see through data. So I will show you the best way get you easier for see through that while you are modeling. You can click here and check a little bit transparent. This maybe help you a lot in change for the checking, for the reference while you are modeling easier. Click. When you click, you can see see through. You can add more. You can see efficient. Okay, we'll move the side view. You can set more some. You can change the higher modeling. And so on. You can move on the wall your project. Keep modeling the wall. That's easier. You can see that it's very fast. Okay, you can move the column. This column you can use the steel structures. You can use a column, so you can load the structural framing, structural column, steel, and you can choose the style that you want. So I will choose the profile. This maybe you can change here, and you can choose a favorite profile column. Okay, I will choose a false assemble in this case. Oh, I see column. Okay. We will temporarily locate it in here. So I will just check it. You can dimension the depth and the width. Your column and turn it 420. 400. Okay, that is good. We can duplicate column 400 multiple 400. Okay, 40 choose Smith. You can rotate for the right 180. Oh no. Maybe change a little. Okay, that's good. I think that's good in case. Okay, after you choose the right profile, you can change the height of the column for the right, for the matte with Pointcloud data. You can change the material. The column. Okay. You can create new. Again, this new column. You can choose the red color for the easier for seeing. Oh, that's good. And you can dimension the height and try some 5,420. Okay, you can see it. Oh, maybe I'm from the high, so I will change a little. Okay, that is good. So that's the way modeling the structure column. So now I will move to the beam model. The beam model, the way it might be the same modeling the structure column. The first you can need to know the height of the beam. $4,970. You can change the cut plan for easier. Yes, you can see the beam. The column that you had drawn before. So now you can model in the beam. You also insert. You can structure the beam. Here is not profile, not high profile. You can low profile from different methods. And you choose the structural framing, and you choose the profile that you good. So now I can choose okay. I will choose this profile, my Selenist wavelength. Starting here, you can draw the section and you can change some. Guess the height of the beam. The height of the beam. You can adjust it for the right height. Okay, we will need change the dimension of the beam. The high beam is 460. Okay, I need to change a little bit the cut plan for easier seeing the beam on the plan. So you can adjust the height and the width of the beam. The height of beam. This maybe 450. The height. The width. 3000. Okay. I will duplicate the beam. 450 as 3000. So I will change that. Okay, that's good. You can see it, and you can apply the same material with the column. And so on, you can model the beam on the another location that you want. You can copy them and rotate them for the different location. You can copy, rotate 90 and move them for the right location. You can check more. You can open to the screen and compare between the floor plan and 3D view. That will help you a lot. Okay, now we will move to the floor modeling. With floor modeling, you can set the curve plan. The floor plan is easier. You can choose the floor architectural and new type, new floor, and you can change the thickness, and you need to new material for a new floor material. Remember, you need to duplicate that for avoid the same material. You can change any color that is good. I think I will choose the orange color. Okay. Okay, now I will pick. You can draw the manually. So in this case, you can choose a big line. That you more for side for the modeling. Okay. You have the floor plan. Okay. The floor plan, you can change the height. The height. In this side, you can see in this side the floor plans move a little bit. So you can move that a little bit. 40, 50. Okay, that is very good. Attention, the bottom of the wall. Okay, that is the floor plan modeling. So So on, we can move the modeling the pipe. The pipe is maybe easier. So I will disassemble for you. Easier following. We choose one of pipe in which area. Okay, I will choose a pipe here for the raw. Okay, before you draw the pipe, you need to set up the pipe family. So you can enter the system and you choose a pipe, and the pipe will show you. You need to duplicate and rename new pipe such that you can edit some. And take here, you can see here it's still mixed accessory. You need to load some before you model it. So now we will load family. Load family. You can choose you find the pipe. You can choose a fitting. Oh, let me check. Okay. And you see it's a carbon steel here. You need to choose the same type pipe. That will help you easier for the modeling later. You can see profile. Okay, now it's in mix. Copy about this. You can choose it here. Generate. Now you will see it's out here, and you can choose one of them. I will choose the standard. We choose the general standard. Transition union. Okay. You need to change it here, all side. Okay. Now we will change the offset from floor plan level 1. And you draw the first pipe. When you draw, you can see the pipe show reference. Click. 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 It might be higher. You can see it on the 3D view. You can draw a section for checksum. Okay, I will show you how to change the colors. You need to change it into the auto system type. And you move the right side and find the piping system. You can click on the setup and change the material. Change the material, you can choose create some new material and rename them, maybe the new pineapple, and change the color. That's the one I need to choose the pink color. Okay, pink color, that is good. So now you can use your arrow on the keyboard up and down. You can move some for the right level. On the section, you can continue to draw the line. Okay, then continue to draw the line. That's important. You can see that it's the fantasy. You can change the height of the pie. You can change it a little bit lower. You can change 1040. Okay, you can see effect. It's easier for the editing. You can see the pie you have modeling. That's good. Okay, that is the pie. So now I will show you how to modeling the pump and anything that you got in SAP. So I will choose one of pump and modeling example for you is the following. Okay. You don't need modeling it in the detail, just a general shape. You can see the general shape. Okay, we will start the modeling. You can click on the 3D for the relocation on the floor. You can see it shows a powder here. Now I will choose the component tool and model in flight. We will modeling on the 3D view. You can choose the type of family. That's good. In this case, I will choose a mechanical equipment. Okay, let's start. So I will choose extrusion, and I will draw here. Maybe this is the boundary steel frame boundary. You can see this. You can select offset maybe the 15. Okay, you can select a new material. It's maybe new, rename new mechanic, new equipment. Oh no. You remember click duplicate this asset. Involve the duplicate material. And you can choose the color that is good. I think I will choose it's maybe the purple. Okay. Okay, it's there. You can see here. You can adjust some in 3D. So it's an imagination. Okay, I think that's enough. Continuous. You can draw the bottom. Draw the bottom. You can copy the model that you have modeling for. And you continue modeling stuff. You can dimension 80. Yeah, offset 80. And you have a frame. You have the frame, the bottom up bump. Okay. Remember, we will modeling in the shape. Don't need in detail. So you can set the face and draw the modeling on it. Remember to use the same material in one component. Okay, we will copy the same beam in this here. That's maybe. Oh, that is a lot of high. I will kind of adjust more thing. Okay, you can see. So we will move to the bump. We will continue. Continuous modeling. Now I will set its fine maybe, and I shoot. Okay. Tangent a little bit. Where it might be acquired large. Change a little bit values. Okay. This might be good, better. This step, you can set it more for the mat as you can. Okay, continue for the system for the box, electrical box. Electrical box. you can change the dimension on the 3D view. It's maybe help you easier for the images. Okay. You can duplicate this model, move it here, and edit little areas. Okay, and so on. Okay, that is all for the pump modeling. So that is all I would give you generally understand about the modeling, architectural modeling in Revit from Pointcloud data. So hope you enjoyed, and if you like the way of modeling from Pointcloud data, you could give me the 1 like, 1 subscribe, and thank you so much. See you on the next soon.